Finally, step 5 is beginning your search. Your goal is to gather evidence and then use that to make your claim in your paper. Here's a sample article search. On the library databases page, let's start with Academic Search Premier, which is this link at the top. It's a recommended starting point because it covers so many different subject areas. Next, you'll want to type in your keywords. And as I mentioned, it will provide some alternate keywords for you. So I'm going to begin with this search. The results, looking at the titles of the articles and anything that stands out as maybe something that will support my claim. So this one right here, do open educational resources improve student learning? Implications of the access hypothesis. So this looks like something I'd like to explore a little further. So here's what you can do when you find a good article that you want to hang on to and read later, and then possibly cite in your paper. First, click on the title. You can then see more about the article, including the abstract, which is a nice summary. It'll tell you exactly what they found as a result of the study or the investigation that they did. To save this article for later, you can open the PDF full text and download that. So here's the full article, and you can print it or download it from this screen. Some other things you can do are email it to yourself by clicking on this email icon. You can just type your email address right here, and it will send it to you as a PDF attachment. This permalink icon will give you a permanent link that will lead back to this article. So this is the one that you want to copy and paste if you need to give a link of this article to someone or to send it to yourself. And finally, this icon right here that looks like a piece of paper, it says Cite. This is where you can automatically generate citations. And if I scroll, I'll find MLA. And I can just copy and paste that. And it's gotten a lot of the work done already for the works cited list. Now all I have to do is go through and check it, make sure that it's adhering to MLA rules, and at the end, alphabetize the entries on my works cited list. But this is a really great and helpful shortcut. Here are some examples of articles I found. The next step is to read each of these articles carefully and highlight or take notes on any important passages that I might later want to quote in my paper.